Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Monte Marte Acrylics is probably one of the most versatile and popular choices for artists and hobbyists alike, offering an excellent balance of affordability, vibrant color payoff, and ease of use, making it a top contender in the acrylic paint market. In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive review, exploring its pros, cons, and overall suitability for various artistic projects, from detailed canvases to large-scale murals. Number 5. Monte Marte Discovery Acrylic Paint. This paint is perfect for students and artists alike. Its creamy texture and fast drying time make it ideal for any project. It offers excellent coverage, whether you're working on a small detail or a large canvas. You'll get vibrant colors with minimal coats. This paint dries quickly, saving you time and allowing for efficient workflow. You can layer colors without waiting too long. It mixes easily with other colors and mediums, giving you endless creative possibilities. Plus, it cleans up easily with soap and cold water. The convenient pump lid makes dispensing the paint easy and mess-free. It's designed for smooth and controlled application. From small details to large-scale paintings, it's versatile enough to handle any artistic endeavor. Let your creativity flow. What we like? It boasts a quick drying time, perfect for efficient workflow. Its creamy texture ensures excellent coverage on any surface. If you need a large volume of paint with easy dispensing, this is the one for you. What people say? The paint is good for blending and base coat. It is very thick. So thick in fact, that when squirted on the side of a plastic cup, it never runs down. The coverage is good and I have no complaints. It's cheap acrylic paint. Number 4. Monte Marte Signature Acrylics. Experience vibrant color and smooth application with our new acrylic paint set. It's perfect for artists of all levels. These paints dry to a beautiful semi-matte finish, giving your artwork a sophisticated look. The colors are rich and long-lasting. Enjoy the creamy texture that makes blending effortless. It provides excellent coverage, so you'll need fewer coats. It dries quickly, allowing you to layer colors without smudging or waiting too long. This speeds up your creative process. They are suitable for a variety of surfaces, including canvas, wood, paper, and more. Let your imagination run wild. This set includes 8 versatile colors to get you started. They are perfect for mixing and creating your own custom shades. What we like? This set offers a beautiful semi-matte finish and a versatile color selection. It's perfect for various surfaces, from canvas to paper. If you're starting out and want a range of colors to experiment with, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The quality and thickness of these acrylic paints was beyond my expectations. They blend well, have a nice shine to them when dry, and they work well on any type of canvas, painting paper. The Monte Marte acrylic paint is a bit thicker and more dense than the other paint we are using. Number 3. Monte Marte Signature Acrylics. Experience vibrant colors and smooth application with our new acrylic paint set. It's perfect for artists of all levels. This set boasts 48 richly pigmented colors, each in a generous 36 ml tube. You'll have the perfect shade for any project. It dries to a beautiful semi-matte finish, enhancing the vibrancy of your artwork. The colors are stunning. Enjoy its creamy texture and excellent coverage. Its fast drying time makes layering quick and easy, preventing muddy colors. It adheres beautifully to various surfaces, from canvas and wood to leather and paper. Unleash your creativity on any surface. With Monte Marte Signature Acrylics, the possibilities are endless. Start creating your masterpiece today. What we like? With its wide array of colors and semi-matte finish, it's a dream for any artist. The extensive color palette allows for endless creative possibilities. If you need a huge variety of colors for a large project, this is the set for you. What people say? They are very pigmented, and to me are comparable to Liquitex Basics. They're thick but can be thinned down. They mix well. They can be used on different surfaces. This is my second set of this paint. They have really good thickness and vibrant color. I use them for lots of my different paintings on different items, canvases, backpack skin, mugs, wood. And they dry pretty quickly. These paints are highly pigmented with a little going a far way. They're smooth and fluffy, easy to use and mix. Number 2. Monte Marte Signature Acrylics. Experience vibrant colors and smooth application with our new acrylic paint set. It's perfect for artists of all levels. These paints dry to a beautiful semi-matte finish, giving your artwork a sophisticated look. The colors are rich and long-lasting. Enjoy the creamy texture that makes blending effortless. It provides excellent coverage, ensuring your colors pop. It dries quickly, allowing you to layer colors without smudging or waiting too long. This speeds up your creative process. They are suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including canvas, wood, and even fabric. Unleash your creativity on any project. This set includes 12 vibrant colors in generous 500 ml bottles. You'll have everything you need to bring your artistic vision to life. Get incredible value with this complete set of high-quality acrylic paints. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. What we like? This value pack provides a generous amount of paint in a selection of essential colors. It's suitable for a wide range of surfaces. If you need large quantities of a few core colors, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. Monte Marte Premium Acrylic Pouring Paint. Unleash your creativity with our premium acrylic pouring paints. They're pre-mixed and ready to use, perfect for stunning fluid art projects. These paints come in 4 metallic shades, each bottled for easy pouring. The smooth flow ensures amazing results every time. No mixing required. It's pre-mixed and ready to create beautiful art. Just pour and watch the magic happen. It works great on various surfaces, including canvas, wood, MDF, and air-dry clay. Your imagination is the only limit. Add silicone oil to it to create beautiful cells within your artwork. Experiment and discover unique textures. The 120 ml easy pour bottles make pouring simple and mess-free. Get creative without the hassle. What we like? These metallic pouring paints are pre-mixed and ready for your next fluid acrylic masterpiece. The smooth flow ensures amazing results. If you love creating stunning pouring effects, this is the set for you. What people say? The metallic colors are especially beautiful. My daughter and I have used them in flip cups, ring pours and base pours. Great colors in this pouring kit, the paint flowed nicely. They are creamy and have good pigment levels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.